Hi, everybody. Welcome back to today's edition of Blockchain and Crypto with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is Friday, July 23rd. Let's get into the rundown because it is deep today with a lot of news from all corners of the industry. And kicking us off, the Solana Foundation. The Solana Foundation, with using music streaming service Audius and NFT or non-fungible token marketplace Metaplex, have launched the Solana Creator Fund, a $5 million fund for creators with the aim to enlist 1,000 artists and musicians with a promise of both financial and technology assistance from the Solana Foundation as well. So more in the creators economy and for the Solana ecosystem. Karura Swap is now the first DEX or decentralized exchange on the Polkadot and Kusuma ecosystems. Launched by Karura, the DeFi network of the Solana Foundation, who back in June was announced as the first parachain winner that was provided a 48-week lease to build on Kusuma and Polkadot's production or pre-production environments, also known as the Canary network as well. And according to reports, the DEX, or again, decentralized exchange, open for trading with about $3.4 million in total value locked. Next up, Amazon. Amazon made news and headline waves yesterday, late in the afternoon, announcing that they would be looking for a digital currency and blockchain product lead who would be based in Seattle, Washington, where the company headquarters is, to work with Amazon's payments and experience teams. Now, this is interesting because earlier this year and again last year in 2020, Amazon has teased out announcements of their positioning around both blockchain and cryptocurrency from a payments perspective and potentially creating its own Amazon coin. Now, we know that they had made efforts or announced efforts to do some type of pilot around a digital currency in Mexico and then greater Latin America, but since not much has been talked about. So maybe towards the end of 2020, we'll see more. Bitcoin Depot, the largest Bitcoin ATM operator in the world, has said it will be expanding into Circle K locations throughout the United States and Canada, with more than 700 of its Bitcoin ATM machines already having been installed at Circle K convenience stores in 30 US states as part of a new partnership. Customers will be able to purchase more than 30 different types of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ether, and others as well. Circle K, just for reference, reports that the brand currently today operates just over 7,000, around 7,150 stores in the US and 2,111 in Canada. So this representation is significant, but a lot more opportunity to grow into as well. One of the biggest cryptocurrency mining companies in the United States, Core Scientific Holdings, is set to list on the Nasdaq exchange through a merger with a SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Company, boosting the value of the combined businesses to be around $4.3 billion. Next up, JPMorgan has reportedly become the first large US bank to allow its financial advisors to buy and sell 5 cryptocurrency funds on behalf of a client, including funds for Bitcoin Trust from Grayscale and Grayscale's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, along with Ethereum Classic Trust as well. Now, in the world of central bank digital currencies, we've continued to talk about this almost on a weekly, if not daily basis here in blockchain and crypto. And I got a few quick hits for everybody out there. First up, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, could be piloting a digital currency per the bank's Director of Information Technology as early as October 1st. And next, the Reserve Bank of India may, capitals, all capitals, may introduce a digital rupee, central bank digital currency in a phased rollout according to its deputy governor. Now, we know India has gone back and forth on its thoughts, its opinions, its rules, its regulations, everything around both cryptocurrency, digital assets, and blockchain. They have continued to do work at the government and the banking level with JPMorgan's Onyx division as well. So this could be a part of it, could see more, could not. So again, a big may as well. The Central Bank of Colombia, IDB Group, and others have launched a pilot of Colombia's first blockchain bond. Now, for a quick reference, we also saw this happen in Germany last year. Now other countries are doing this, and here is it happening in Colombia, where the first blockchain bond will be issued, placed, traded, and settled on a blockchain. Which blockchain we do not know yet, according to reports, but it will be handled through the use of smart contracts for Colombian securities market. And something to leave you with as we approach the weekend here, the Stellar Development Foundation reportedly wants to acquire payments giant Moneygram. They are not the first and they are not the only, but they are in talks, according to reports, to acquire Moneygram as a whole and in partnership with one additional company out of Boston as well. What does this mean? Well, we're going to talk about it a little bit more next week. Everybody, that's a quick rundown of what's happening in the blockchain and cryptocurrency industries today, July 23rd. Everyone have a great day, a great weekend. Please do reach out to me on social media if you're building anything in these areas or otherwise. A big thank you as well to the Token team, to Maria and Hasmek for making today's episode possible. Everyone have a great day, great weekend.